I'm European astronaut Luca Parmitano, here as a correspondent for Euronews, directly from space from the Columbus laboratory on orbit. After we caught the Dragon cargo transfer vehicle, we have been very busy with a lot of different operations. Some of them are right here. This is an experiment with some bacteria that can use up the ions in rocks to eat and create colonies, and they will be used in the future for mining. They are already used on the ground, but we are trying to see how they behave in orbit so that in the future they might be used for mining on the moon, or who knows, on an asteroid or Mars. To my left out of view there is a printer called the Bio Fabrication Facility, where we are testing the capability to 3D print biological tissues here in orbit. For now, it's all from the International Space Station, and I will see you soon with another episode of the Space Chronicles directly from orbit. I'm Luca Parmitano.